In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to generate videos directly inside Claude Code from just a simple prompt because a massive update just dropped. And what I am about to show you is a complete game changer for creators. Because right now, if you want to make videos with AI, you are jumping between different image and video models, 8 different tabs, 8 different logins, 8 different subscriptions. That all ends today. This new update is called the TopView Skill. What this does is it installs directly inside Claude Code and gives it access to every major AI video model, image model, and audio model from one place. You can also install this TopView Skill inside Cursor or Codex and generate videos from just a command. So instead of bouncing between platforms, you just describe what you want and Claude handles the rest. No switching, no copying and pasting between tools. You just talk to Claude like you normally would, and it generates the video. Getting set up is very simple. Click the link in the description and create a TopView account. You will land on this TopView Skill interface, copy the exact link it gives you, paste it directly into Claude Code, and hit enter. That is the entire installation process, and it takes about 2 minutes. During installation, it will ask you to confirm a few things so it can run a full and complete setup. Once that is done, close and restart Claude Code so the TopView Skill activates. When you open a new session, you will see the skill is live and ready to go. Here is where this gets insane. Most AI video tools generate one video at a time. You submit, you wait, you come back, you do it again. With this setup, you give Claude one prompt, and it generates multiple different videos simultaneously across multiple models. Here is exactly what I typed. Use the TopView Skill to create 10 different 15-second TikTok video ads promoting this product. Then I uploaded my product image and hit send. That is it. One sentence and one image. The last step is authentication. Claude opens your browser and signs you into TopView automatically. Done. Claude then builds a full plan before it does anything. You can see right here, it is showing you a full video plan before it begins generating. All 10 video concepts, the hook for every video, the target audience, the aspect ratio of 9:16 for TikTok vertical videos, the resolution and duration, whether it has audio, and a cost estimate for the whole batch. You can approve or change any of it before it spends a single credit. Once you approve, it is off and running all 10 at once. And the best part is Claude is picking the right model for each video automatically based on what you asked for. You do not have to know which model is best for which type of content. The skill figures that out. While these are rendering, you can move on to something else inside the same session. Write your next script, research your next topic, reschedule the next batch of videos to be generated. Whatever, as Claude is working in the background. This is insane. All 10 video ads have been generated, and here is the complete set. You click the link here to watch each one. Tweak a few things if you want to make any edits. And if you click here on the top view board, you will access all 10 videos for easy preview, editing, and download. And this is what we got. Look at these. Most of them were generated with AI avatars because Claude determined that worked best for the concept. All of this from one prompt. Let me show a few of the generated clips.
With these headphones, you can enjoy music anytime, anywhere.
These ads look clean and realistic. The avatars are pretty cool, and the different camera angles within a single clip make them feel professional and polished. It looks like either Kling 3 or Seedance 2 was used during the video generation, and Claude made that call automatically based on the content. Before I show you a few more ways to use this, the TopView Skill link is in the pinned comment below. You can start generating videos today, whether you are doing it one-off or building it into a full content workflow. Go grab that link. Now let me show you something even better. One of the most useful things you can do with this setup is compare models in real time. Instead of guessing which AI video model is best for your content, you just ask Claude to generate the same video using two different models so you can see them side by side. I asked Claude to use the TopView skill to create two cinematic videos of two players in an intense tennis match, one using Seedance 2 and another using Veo 3 inches landscape format. After submitting, it immediately plans based on each model, aspect ratio, resolution, duration, sound, and it calculates the total costs before generating anything. After confirming, it goes ahead and generates both videos at the same time. Same prompt, different models, running simultaneously. When we visit the TopView board, this is the first video. The result is great. The camera is tracking the ball and both the motion and physics look solid. From the right side panel, you can see the video was generated from text using the Seedance 2 model in horizontal format at 720p resolution. The skill went with the minimal cost option here, and the total duration is 15 seconds. The insane part is that it crafted a detailed text-to-video prompt on its own when I only gave it a single command inside Claude Code. Here is the second video generated by Veo 3.
A ferocious forehand down the line.
But he gets it back with interest. This is breathtaking tennis from both men.
Seedance 2 was noticeably sharper when it came to physics, and the motion felt more cinematic. Veo 3 got it completely wrong. It failed on both physics and motion. The whole video makes no sense. The players are only playing from the same side, and there are visible glitches throughout. Now I know exactly which model to use when I want that high-end physics and motion feel. That is the kind of insight that normally takes you days of testing across different platforms. Here it takes one prompt, and you get a clear answer on which model fits which video style. And look, you can do a lot more with this setup. For e-commerce, upload your product images, and you get professional promotional videos ready to post. For marketing images, upload raw photos taken on your phone, and you instantly get carousel content ready for Facebook and Instagram. For video generation, you can upload an image of yourself and appear in a cinematic scene. You can edit videos by uploading your footage, describe what you want, and get cinematic results without switching a single tab. With the TopView skill, you can generate realistic talking avatars for your faceless content and UGC ads right inside Claude Code. Generate and edit images, remove backgrounds, and here is the most interesting part. You can clone your own voice. So every time you tell Claude to generate a video, it will speak in your voice, instead of you recording everything or buying expensive equipment. All of this is happening directly inside Claude Code with zero platform switching. And because it lives inside your agent, you can set this up as a full routine. Hook it to your content calendar. Tell Claude to generate your weekly social media videos automatically on a schedule, and you could produce an entire month of content in a single session and walk away while it works. So if you have been bouncing between 5 different AI video tools trying to piece together a content workflow, this is your sign to simplify it. One tool, one conversation, everything from script to finished videos inside Claude Code. The link is in the pinned comment below. Get it set up today and let me know in the comments what you are using it to create first. And if this workflow helped, like this video and consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to check out this other video on screen, where I show you how to use Claude AI to grow your channel using real data.